Hello and welcome. It is currently Wednesday, January 25th, and I thought I'd share my quick content planning session with you. Now, it is currently 10:13 in the morning, and I have a little break before I have to go to my next set of classes. So right now, I literally just got out of the shower, and my hair is drying, and I thought that now is going to be the perfect time for me to do my content planning. I don't have a lot of time, but I know that if I do not sit down for like 5 minutes and make a general plan, that I'm not going to make my products for the month. Now, I do seasonal teachers pay teachers products, and I like to do it around the 25th of the month because I can still squeeze in a few products that I want to make for February, and then I start focusing on my products for March. So basically what I do is I create a running list of what I want to make. So I need to finish my Black History Month resource that I'm making. And then I want to make an additional worksheet so that I can make a bundle. And that's pretty much what I'm going to do for my Black History Month resource. This is a heftier resource that I made, and then I make a few supporting ones to add to the bundle. And then I definitely want to make a few Valentine's Day resources. Probably worksheets is what I'm going to do. And then this can be filler material. So that can be, worksheets, games, and coloring pages. So that's what I'm doing for Valentine's Day. Now, it is Wednesday. I know that this weekend I can dedicate more time to creating these resources. So I'm just kind of giving me a little head start. Like my Black History Month resources, I need to finish proofing one of my main ones. And then I'm going to work later today on creating an additional worksheet. And then I should be able to start getting my listings done for that. Same way with Valentine's Day. I already have one worksheet done. I'd like to make 2 more so I can do a 3-pack bundle. I will put, make bundle. And then I'm going to actually copy this down. And this is basically what I'm going to do for February. And I honestly believe that it is not too late to put up a resource. So, if you are still working on a Valentine's Day resource the first or second week of February, just finish it up and post it because it will be there for next February. So, and then for March's goal. So I definitely want to make a Women's History Month month resource. And then I want to make a bundle. So I'll do additional worksheets. Maybe games, coloring pages. Those are kind of my default go-tos. And then I'm trying to think what else. So Women's History Month, St. Patrick's Day. would be some good things to make. So additional worksheet games and color pages would be good. And then I'm thinking Passover is at the beginning of April. So I'm thinking if I get these done, I would like to do some Passover resources for April. And then I will just put in April. And Jazz Appreciation Month is in April. And I would like to make a resource, some resources for that. So I will do additional worksheets, maybe games and coloring pages. And then I would like to do a bundle for each of these if possible. Also, I would like to make one big resource for Jazz Appreciation Month. So basically, my big resources are self-taught lessons. They take time to create. In March of 2022, I started my TPT journey where I started making products, like seriously making products. And I made 3 Jazz Appreciation Month resources. So now I can add a resource that is just solely about Jazz Appreciation Month and what it is about and what we can do to celebrate it. And then we'll have 4 resources, and my plan is to make a flex class on OutSchool. So keeping that in mind, I'm going to bump up my Jazz Appreciation Month resource above my Passover resources. And when you're looking at these things, like these holidays and stuff, look at every single holiday. I mean, I've got that 2023 holiday calendar thing. I will put a picture of it in here. That way I'll remember. And, there's also Palm Sunday would be a good resource to make. Would be a good resource. Good Friday would be another good resource. And I'm going to put some of these in italics. And underlined. Because I don't want to overschedule myself. I'm just coming up with as many ideas as I can so that when I have time to make my resources, I can refer back to this list. And I kind of have a more organized way of doing this. So, I can make bundles. And do these things. Also, my go-to resources to make are worksheet games and coloring pages, because I can pump these resources out pretty quickly. And you might think, well, isn't this market oversaturated? No, because I have been selling way more resources than what I used to. And I don't know why. If my store is just picking up. I honestly don't know why. But I am thinking that maybe I'm just having more consistent products posted, and I don't really know why. So I think maybe it's just the consistency. I am not making huge amount of money on Teachers Pay Teachers. I am literally making I don't know, like $20 to $30, sometimes $40 to $50 a month on Teachers Pay Teachers, but that has been consistent. I don't think I've had a month in a long time where I haven't made anything. So these are my resources that I plan on making this month. It is 10:24. I think it's been 10 or 15 minutes, and by sitting down and setting my intentions for my Teachers Pay Teacher shop, I have got a list of things that I can revert back to making. So at the beginning of this month, let me check real quick. So I started with 77 products. And then we will see where I end amount. Now I had 78 products, and one of my Valentine's Day resources was truly awful. So I did a while ago, it was awful. I didn't proof it, and there was misspelling on the main cover of it, and I was like, this is horrible. Like, to be honest, this was not a good product. It was one of the ones that I first started making. I wasn't paying attention when I made it. The contents was good, but it was like the main cover. I misspelled the word pack, and I don't know what I was thinking. So I deleted that product. I'm going to kind of revise it and then re-upload it. So always go back to maybe some of your earlier ones once you have a good supply in your store, and start revising them, seeing how you can improve it. So that is my relatable tip for the day. If sometimes you have to take a hard look at your shop and see if something is good or not. So this is my go-to products to make. To make our worksheet, games, and coloring pages. Is this market oversaturated? I don't know, but these are some things that are selling for me, so I'm going to continue to make what sells. So as a quick summary, February's goal is to have my Black History Month resources done and additional worksheets made. Valentine's Day, I think I can get this definitely done by the 31st of January. And then I will start on my goals for March. So Women's History Month, St. Patrick's Day, Jazz Appreciation Month. I'll see how many of these resources that I get made. If I have extra time, maybe I'll do Passover, Palm Sunday, and Good Friday. I don't really know, but those are my backup things if I somehow create these really quickly. And then my go-to products are to make our worksheet, games, coloring pages, kind of fun filler table activities that teachers would like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment below telling me what are your goals this month for Teachers Pay Teachers. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I picked out a few videos over here that I thought you might like. See you next time.